Hi everybody, how are you doing today? Today I'm here with my Ipsy unboxing. I feel like it has been such a long time since I've done one of these with you guys. My September bag came late, I didn't end up filming it, then I ended up skipping the October bag, so I'm so excited to finally be unboxing with you guys again. I was going to have my daughter do it with me because she likes to unbox Ipsy with me, and I just now asked her, I'm letting her sleep in this morning, like, do you want to unbox Ipsy with me? And she's like, no, you do it. So I guess I'll be doing it myself. So I feel there are a couple items on the outside of the bag, so I'll pull those out first. Looks like I have a brush, so let's get this out of the packaging. Ooh, it's a big face brush, like kind of like a powder type brush. Actually, it's really soft. This is from MOTD, a perfect 10. Yeah, this might be like a nice bronzer brush or something. I don't usually wear bronzer, but I could see how this would be really nice for that. Or maybe even blush. It might be a bit big for my preferences for blush, but you know, I'm willing to try it out. Well, let's see, what else? There's something else on the outside. Aha, this is my add-on. This is a sample size of the Purelisse Youth Glow Vitamin C CC Cream. I got mine in the shade Fair. I'm always up for trying BB creams or CC creams. I'll be trying that on as well today. Now we get to the actual bag. I think the bag is really cute. It looks, I don't know, it looks stylish. It looks expensive, right? And a little tassel matches my shirt today. It's cute. First, a plump little card. Theme is to be present in November, and I'm so happy they went back to putting the items that you get on the card. For a while they weren't doing that, so I'm happy to see that again. And let's start pulling stuff out. So first I got a little tube. This is, it's a cleanser. This is from Avette. This is the Fresh Clean Coconut Mild Foam Cleanser. I usually avoid coconut anything in skincare. I've recently calmed down a little bit. Coconut water, I guess, is different than coconut oil. I'm hoping this is not actual coconut oil. I'll have to read the ingredients to see, but it's funny holding it up to the light, I can see that it's like half full. So it's only this much of a sample. Ooh, it's very scented. I don't know if I'm gonna enjoy this. It smells like soap. Scented soap. You know, I'll give it a try. All these like little samples and things, I do usually end up using them, and I will give reviews for them in my empties videos. All right, what's next in here? Ooh, this is what was making my bag so heavy. I got a nail polish from the brand Misho Beauty. This is really cute. I love this little bottle. That's adorable, and this color looks like it's gonna be pretty. So from Misho Beauty, this is the color Misho. Okay, let's try it on like one fingernail just to see. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm a fan of that. That is great. I have to keep my nails really short because I occasionally play the cello. So, you know, I never have nice, really pretty manicured nails, but this is the color that I would actually wear. That's one I might actually paint the rest of my nails later. That's really pretty. Okay, what else is in here? I got a tiny little thing of something. Ooh, this is a tiny sample of the Tarte Shape Tape. So this is in the shade 12N, Fair Neutral. I've never tried the Tarte Shape Tape before, and I honestly love little samples like this of things like concealers. I will definitely be trying this today. And then one more thing, a little tub of something. This is from Glow Recipe. This is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. All right, so it is yellow, pale yellow, and it has a slight scent of banana. That's strange. Oh my goodness, I have to try this on like the back of my hand. It feels, ooh, nice and light. I was expecting it to be super thick. Yeah, I still don't know how I feel about fruit scented skincare, especially banana. Honestly, I really love like the artificial scent of banana. Like any candy that's banana flavored, that's usually my favorite one. This is interesting. If I decide not to use it on my face, I will still use it on like my neck and chest. So it will get put to use. And that's everything in the bag. So usually at this point, I try on all the makeup. I don't have a whole lot to try on for you today. I have the CC cream, the Tarte Shape Tape, and I got this brush to try out. So first I'm gonna put on some primer and then I'll try on the CC cream. Okay, I've got it dotted all over my face. It might be a little bit fair for me, but I'll see once I blend it in. Actually, I think it matches my neck perfectly. The one that I use right now, the Misha BB cream, I use in shade 21, and I feel like it's a tad, like a tiniest bit too dark in comparison to my neck. I mean, it's very slight, so I continue to use it and love it, but I feel like this one might even be a better shade match for my neck. I'm really disappointed though. I squeezed and squeezed and squeezed it to get anything out, and it was like cracked, and it was down here before anything came out. I hate it when they do that with sample sizes. Okay, so now let's try out this Shape Tape. So I know it is supposed to be a super high coverage concealer, so I'm just gonna use the tiniest bit under my eyes. I don't know, there's just something about mini makeup that looks just like the full-size makeup that is so cute. I love this little mini, and this will last me for a really long time if I have to, you know, using just a little bit like this at a time. All right, I'm gonna try it with my finger first, just to see. I feel like I could have used even a little bit less, and just some of the lines that are present under my eyes, I feel like it's accentuating them. But I feel like as far as like a brightening under eye shade, it's not too bright for me. All right, I feel like this eye ended up turning out even a little bit better than this side, so maybe just because this eye has more lines. I don't know. I think that looks really nice, actually, and the CC cream is also looking really nice. I'm gonna enjoy using that up. I just wish there was a bigger sample. But the real test will be if it makes me break out. Because I would say that the majority of foundation-y type products that I use do make me break out, so I'm hopeful that this one does not. Okay, so that's all the makeup I have to try on for you guys. So I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back to give you my final thoughts. Okay, so I powdered and such, but I realized I didn't try out this brush yet. So let's try it with, this is the Sugar Causemetics Contour de Force Mini Blush. This is one I have a current Project Pan usage goal, so you know, might as well use it. Yeah, this is much bigger than my usual blush brush, but you know, maybe I'll like it, we'll see. Okay, I don't know about how I feel about it as a blush brush. I mean, it looks fine. It's just that it's a little bit more dense maybe than I would usually use for a blush brush, and just a tiny, like it's really soft, so I don't want to use the word stiff, but in comparison to like the really soft and fluffy blush brush that I usually use, it's just a little bit more stiff, I guess. That's the word I didn't want to use, but I used it. But yeah, I'm going to continue experimenting with this. Maybe I'll like it better as like an under the eye type powder brush, although that's also big for that as well. I don't know. I'll keep experimenting with it, but I like getting brushes in Ipsy because I really, for some reason, I just really hate buying them. I don't like giving my makeup budget to brushes. I don't know why. So I'm always happy to get them in Ipsy. Okay, now I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup. I'll be right back. Okay, I just quick put on some makeup. In case you're wondering, I'm wearing the Nudes eyeshadow palette from Juvia's place and the Thrive Causemetics mascara. I'm trying this again. In the past, I hated it. We'll see. As for my final thoughts about the actual makeup that came in the bag, I like how the CC cream did what it's supposed to do. I feel like it did even out my complexion, and it does, and I felt like it really worked its way nicely into the skin like a, you know, like a tinted skincare product. I think it did its job. It's exactly the type of thing I like. It's just to wait and see, you know, if it makes me break out or not. As for the Shape Tape, I'm honestly pleasantly surprised. I've heard so many people say about how heavy it is, and I think on this one eye it looks heavier than on this one. Definitely in the future I'll use even less going in with the Shape Tape. I do feel like that once I get the correct amount down that I will like it, because I do like the tone. It's a good shade for me. Really like the nail polish. Definitely gonna paint all my nails this color after this. I'll be trying out this Glow Recipe stuff. I mean, Glow Recipe is a really nice brand. I'm not always thrilled to get skincare in my bags, just because so much stuff makes me break out. I tend to like to choose my own skincare at this point, but I still will try it. Same with the cleanser, and I like the brush. I just need to figure out exactly what I want to use it for. But looking at prices, it's a $22 brush. So right there, the bag is only $12. So this takes care of the price of the bag. Same with the nail polish. This is a $20 nail polish. So I feel like this has a really good value on it. Not even counting, you know, all the half full deluxe sizes that I received. But let me know if you've tried these products before. What do you think of them? Did you get Ipsy this month? Did you like the stuff that you got? I know sometimes it can be really, really awesome and sometimes not so much. I would love to know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!